Minister Modi was honoured with the Order of the Zayed, that's the UAE's highest civilian award, on Saturday in recognition of his pivotal role in building the strategic relationship between the two countries. The award earlier has been bestowed on several world leaders, including the Russian President Vladimir Putin, Britain's Queen Elizabeth II and the Chinese President Xi Jinping. Prime Minister Modi thanked the UAE government for the honour and has dedicated the award to the skills and the abilities of 1.3 billion Indians.